Guys, what you're watching right now isn't just a performance, it's a culture. Every colorful costume tells a story. In the Chinese culture, dance is more than just an entertainment. It symbolizes good fortune, unity, and positive energy. So I'll urge you to stay with me and watch this video to the end because you're going to love and appreciate the Chinese culture. The Chinese New Year isn't about just fireworks or decorations, it's about family. It's that special time of the year when everyone comes together, no matter how far they've traveled. They come together to share love and unforgettable memories. And as you can see on the screen right now, there is the parent and the mother is standing at the other side, and the children are also around trying to have some fun activities. And after this, I'm sure they will go grab some delicious food and share them together. They usually eat around the table, which most people call it the hot pot. Food here isn't that expensive, so it's easy for them to buy as much food as possible in order for them to reconnect. And that's the real spirit of the new year. It's always about hope and togetherness. It's about new beginning, and as the new year is starting, it's bringing blessings, luck, and wealth to all the families that are coming together. Where you work?
你们会中文吗？
会点一点。
会放烟花吗？会闪装一点。
接下来一岁9个月。
可以握个手吗？
哦，让我们到。哎，这里是让我们。嗨。你们是哪来的
？Jana。
好吧，好，那我们去。
拜拜。The amount of fireworks or knockouts that these people are buying and using. It's not small at all. This one sounds like some bomb. Very, very loud. They are the loudest among all. And unfortunately, it's about 11:30 something p.m. So there's a drone hovering around asking people to stop it because it is late. So people here have stopped the fireworks for now. I'm pretty sure tomorrow there will be another event. I mean, this is the order of the day since it's the spring festival. Is going to continue up until probably the end of this month. Yeah. So all these people were here, they stopped, and now they are waiting for the police to leave here so they can continue with their fireworks, I'm guessing. So you can see.
今宵，我们相约在星空下。
亲爱的朋友们，告别今宵，我们团聚在春天里。
这里有5000年的梦，闪闪发光，灼灼盛放。